Welcome to Lesson 90 in Saxon Algebra 1/2 Second Edition. I know I told you yesterday that at the end of Lesson 89 that I would see you next time for Lesson 89, and that was a mistake. I meant to say Lesson 90. So here we are at Lesson 90, and this is on the surface area of a right solid. Now what I've done is given you a visual for a triangular prism. Now this is what a triangular prism looks like. But to find the surface area, we have to find the area of each of those surfaces. So we have the bottom, the front, the back, and then two sides that will be identical. So we may have to kind of cut this figure up a little bit. Okay, so here is this prism, triangular prism, and we're going to find the base, which is this triangle right here. That's the base. If we stood it up, that would be the base, and this would be the height. Alright, so this is simply a triangle, and we say base times height divided by 2. So I've got that here, 4 times 3 divided by 2 is equal to 6 meters squared. Now why did I say times 2? Because there's one of those on each end and they're identical. So if I multiply by 2, I get 12 meters square, and that's the two ends covered. Okay, but I need the lateral surface area for that, and then that, and then this. So if I, just like in a circle, if I were able to cut this and lay it out flat, I would see that the surface area is going to be equal to 16 times 12, which is 192 meters squared. Now where did I get the 12 from? I added 4 plus 3 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So that's how I got the lateral surface area. And then because I'm finding surface area, I need to add this number to it. So when I add 6 plus 6 to 192, I get a total surface area of 204 meters squared. Alright, let's try another. Alright, this is a different figure. We're going to find the lateral surface area of a right solid 30 feet high, whose base is this figure right here. Now, lateral surface area is equal to the perimeter of the base times the height. So how do I get the perimeter? Well, easy thing. I add 8 plus 6 plus 8, and I've done that here. And then for the distance around, that is circumference, and that is pi times the diameter. If the radius is 3, then this diameter is going to be 2 times 3, or 6. So I have 2 times 3 times pi, and then because it's only a half circle, I'm going to divide by 2. Okay, so 6 plus 8 plus 8 is 22. And then here I got, actually what I did was I saw that I could cancel these two out, making it very easy. I can just say 3 times pi, and when I add those together, I get a total of 31.42, and then the height is 30, so I multiply this, the perimeter of the base, times the height, for a total of 942.6 feet squared. Any type of area is always squared. Alright, let's do your practice problem. Alright, this figure is even a different figure. The surface area, alright, this, just like the last problem we did, lateral surface area is perimeter of the base times the height. So for perimeter of the base, we're going to say 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12, plus 3, which is 15, plus 3 more, which is 18. The height is 40, so 18 times 40 is a total of 720 meters squared. It is as easy as that, y'all. All right, good job. I'll see you next time for lesson 91.